Hello, yeah, in this video, I want to walk you through how to visualize longitudinal data using R. And let's load in the library ggplot2 and dplyr, set a random seed, and number of subjects 50, number of time points 5, and we create a data frame with subject. And repeat from 1 to n subjects, each equal to n time points. Okay, and time is repeated 1 to n time points and times n subjects. We create a group variable, which is group A and B, and each has uh, n subjects times n time point divided by 2. An outcome is a continuous variable from a normal distribution. And then let's create that. And also we add a group effect, create some differences in the two groups. And here's the data structure look like. It's a long format of a longitudinal data set. Okay. So first graph I want to show you how to create. This is the spaghetti plot of individual trajectories. Okay, so we use ggplot data. AES is you got x axis the time, y axis the outcome, and group is the subject. And you can use two colors equal to group, and then plus the geo line at alpha equal to 0.5, and the title is the spaghetti plot of individual trajectories. Okay, it somewhat look like what's showing on the right side. Usually the spaghetti plot is a clump. It's like a chunk of individual lines. So we only got how many? 50. So it's still we can see the lines. But if you get 5,000, then it's a dark cloud. You cannot really tell the differences. Okay. But it gives you some idea about what overall this data set look like. Okay. The second plot I want to show you is the mean plot with standard deviations. Okay, so what this is at each time point we calculate the mean of the outcome for each group, and then we plot out the means and the standard deviations, and we connect the mean point, the means. Okay, so first we use the data summary, just calculate the summary by time and group. So we get the mean and standard deviation. And then we use the ggplot using the data summary data set. X is the time, Y is the mean outcome, color equal to group. And you add the geo line, geo point, and geo error bar. You use the Y minimum with the mean outcome minus 1 standard deviation, and the x. The y max is the mean plus the plus 1 standard deviation, and the width is 0.2. And if you plot that out, it look like on the right hand side, you can see it's by group. You have the group A and group B. So it give you an idea, about the mean values between the groups. So this will be pretty handy when you are analyzing randomized control trial data, where the A may be the treatment group and B will be the placebo group, to give you an idea about the mean differences. Okay. Of course, another popular visualization tool is the clustered bar chart using the categorical covariate. So here's the group. So we can use the ggplot. So we need to use the x equal to the factor of time. It must be a factor. Y is the outcome, and field equal to group. And then we get the bar stat equal to summary, function equal to mean, position equal to dodge, and then get the title. It looked like this. Okay. So the cluster bar chart showing you like a comparison between the two groups at each time point. So this is another pretty good visualization of the group differences over time. Okay. Okay. The next plot is the lattice plot of individual trajectories. So um, first we need to load in the library lattice, and then we use the function xy plot. So the outcome tier the time, and it's like vertical bar. This means you are doing this for each subject, but subject must be a factor, and data to the data, and the type. You're connecting the data points by using line. Okay, groups equal to group. Then you have some other parameters you specify for the plot. Okay. So if you do that, on the right hand side, you can see it plot all subjects. So you got 50 subjects in the data set. So you got one plot for one subject, and they're labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 50. And the x-axis is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the time, and the y-axis is the outcome. So this graph is very convenient. Just let you immediately see the entire data set, okay, for individuals. Oh, we didn't do by, I see, did we do group? Oh yeah, we did do it by group. So this is, yeah, they were used A and B in, I think, in different colors, but I'm a little bit colorblind, so I cannot really see. But you get the idea about this lattice plot, which is one plot for each individual. Okay. All right. So these are pretty basic visualizations for a longitudinal data set. And in the future, we are going to talk about some more specialized R packages for more sophisticated visualizations of longitudinal data. Thank you.